Hey, what's going on, everybody? Y'all know who it is, it's JJ, and as y'all can see from yesterday's video, y'all can see that I got this, it's a 2012 Hyundai Elantra. It's limited, fully loaded. My brother just got the oil change. I tried to call around and find a bumper. I couldn't find the bumper, so I just went ahead and bought a certificate bumper, and then I'm gonna just have Wilson just go ahead and just paint the front bumper. So I'll show y'all that when I get there. It does need 2 front tires. I had my brother take it to go get the oil change, and then he drove it to certificate and got the bumper from Wilson. So it really it's gonna need some tires. So I got that set of tires, and then do I have a detail shop? It's really not really dirty, so there's really no point in having a detail shop. I really just need a good spray off, good spray down. So I ain't gonna wait. I'm not gonna waste $120 to detail it when it's already, when I can just hit it with the wash and good spray off and hit it with some tire shine, and it's good to go. I gotta go look at the bumper though and see if it needs the fog light covers, because if so, then I'll just order those and see if I can get those overnighted. And if I can get those overnighted, and then when I clean it off, because Wilson only gonna take like 1 day to get this. It's only gonna take them like 1 day. But I'm gonna show y'all here this little Hyundai when I get there. So see y'all in a second. All right, so we made it to Wilson. Just slapping the front. Okay, so that tire good. So that one good. That one
gonna lay down right there.
This one done. Let's see how many good ones we got on here. That one's decent. And then that one is like I don't know, they got like 2, I don't know. Oh damn, I didn't even know I needed a door handle. Gotta grab a door handle. Okay. Let me leather interior. Leather interior. I might take it to the detail shop, but I don't know. I might just ask them how much to just do like a wash and vac, just like how much to just wash and vacuum, because it really ain't dirty. I might just do like a simple little wash and vac, like to see if the detail can y'all just wash and then the outside, and then maybe clean up these headlights some. But just need a front bumper. Need a front bumper and the front bumper, but he about to go ahead and fix that. What's going on? Yeah, Wilson out here?
No, lunch.
All right, I'll call him right quick. So, if y'all watched the video, oh man, I need a little, dang it didn't come with the bottom grill. Man, that sucks. Dang it. Oh, I thought the bumper would come with the bottom grill. Dang it. That sucks. I need some fog light covers. Dang it, it didn't come with the bottom grill, so like when you take a picture, I mean, you can still take a good picture and stuff. I can still take a good picture and stuff. Yeah, the pictures and stuff will still come out, It'd be all right. Go get a tire for the driver's side. Just get it washed up, like a little wash and vac. We just duped all the way through bottom. Dang it. Missing the bottom grill, that sucks. Let me pop the trunk. Let me pop the trunk. I never even popped the trunk. Let me see. Let's see, the inside ain't really that bad. It's just a little washing back. I want to see. We'll see how much they'll charge this for a little. See how much the detail charges for like a little washing back. Washing back and maybe just clean up these headlights. You can still take some pictures. It's just gonna be missing the bottom grill and the fog light covers. But if y'all watched all the way through, appreciate everybody. Now, peace.